Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and today I will show you top 5 exercises for mixed voice. Each of them develops your mixed voice, but each of them serves different purposes. The first one is lip roll or rrr exercise. They're both the same kind of exercises, so they are almost similar. It gives you a smooth transition from chest to head without breaking. It relaxes your larynx and tongue, and it gives you sustained airflow. And sustained airflow is good for all aspects of singing. But the main thing that makes this exercise an exercise for mixed voice is transitioning from chest to head without breaking. I will show you how to do that. Start from chest voice. Head voice. Head voice. Chest voice. Same with lip roll exercise. We can also do this without notes, like the main idea is to make this transition without breaking. What's important here? If you do the lip roll exercise, like do it like b sounds, not p sound, but b, not p. Like is good, p is bad. And also rare fluctuations are good. Frequent fluctuations are bad. So is good, is bad. Same with r is good, r is bad. Because it tells you that your airflow is not sustained, it's fast, it dries your vocal cords. It has to be slow and sustained, like and okay. The next exercise is NG sound. NG, coming. This exercise, I would say maybe it's the main exercise for mixed voice because it activates the twanger, the sphincter that narrows your larynx, which I talk too much about. So if you do it without buzzing, it means that there is no narrowing, no twang, no mixed voice. Like no buzzing, it means no narrowing. When you hear the buzzing or ringing in the sound, the narrowing happens. What's also important, many people, many students start sounding tense and strained when they try this exercise at first, and I recommend checking if this muscle is relaxed or not. It has to be relaxed, this muscle here. Put your thumb here and check. This muscle has to be relaxed. And one more thing that makes this exercise relaxed: better start from your head voice and walk your way to your buzzing NG sound, like from your head voice. In this way you will make this exercise more relaxed. And also check this muscle here, it has to be relaxed. If you hear the buzzing, you have the narrowing, you have the twang in your voice. The third exercise is vocal fry. Vocal fry actually is the register beneath your chest voice, and it gives you an opportunity to not push too much. If you push too much, if you yell too much or push too much, this exercise teaches you to hold back some air and to not push too much. Also, it gives you smooth transition from chest to head, and also it gives you the ability to feel everything between chest and head. That's crucial. So how to do this exercise? You may start anywhere, well, where you feel strain. On low notes, it's easy to do this exercise, like but on high notes, it's a little bit more difficult. So on high notes, it sounds like this. So what's important here? Don't overcompress. Don't try to do this exercise very loud, like don't try this. Do this exercise as quiet as you can. Remember yourself when you have just woken up in the morning and you're very lazy, like this is a very lazy exercise, and it gives you this lazy feeling and this relaxed feeling that we need in singing. The fourth group of exercises is nay nay nay, ma ma ma, yam yam ya, wee wee wee. The main idea here is voiced consonant plus vowel. This exercise transfers the buzzing from the consonant to the vowel. So it's the main, this is the second most important exercise for mixed voice, because it takes this twang, this buzzing from the NG sound and transfers to a vowel sound. So the main idea here, you may take any voiced consonant and add a vowel sound. Like voiced consonant is N, vowel sound is E, for example, like nay, 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 nay. Again, voiced consonant is M, vowel sound is A, ma, ma, ma. Voiced consonant plus vowel sound transfers the buzzing and the twang from the voiced consonant to the vowel sound. In this way, it activates twang in your vowel sounds. It teaches you how to sound in your mixed voice. Nay, 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 nay. That's it. What's important here? Be careful and don't yell. If your voice becomes exhausted, put this exercise off until tomorrow. The next group of exercises, and many coaches don't count this as an exercise, but the fifth exercise is singing vowel sounds. It's the last thing after the first was NG sound. The second step was nay, 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 ma, ma, ma. So it was consonant plus vowel. And the third step is just vowels. First NG, then consonant plus vowel. And the third step is just singing vowel sounds. It gives you your final sound and it shows your weak points. So how to do that? You may switch NG sound, vowel sounds, just to remind yourself how to twang. Like this, for example. Ha, ha, and so on. Once you have learned how to do a sound, you may change the sounds. The vowels, there are 5 vowels: a, e, a, o, u. You may start from any sound which is comfortable, and then walk your way to the others. E, a, o, u. So you may sing a, o, or a, e, whatever. But better to sing the sounds that are close. So if you started from a, it's better to sing e and o, and then u and e, like a, a, o, then a, e, then e, something like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.